Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the 01 EDC sliders, the 01 slider in a mini configuration, Merry Christmas configuration right over here. And you know what, if you're interested in buying this kind of stuff, you can also check out fablades.com and see what is going on there. Also, you know what, you can check out at Fablades on Instagram, see some nice pictures, maybe nice, I like them there. This guy comes with extra Teflon tape, some screws because you might lose these guys, so they provide a nice option for you to take care of that. We can use some knife to, right, look at this, to open this up right here. There you go. This guy can go back. You get some nice goodies in this Zirc, blasted Zirc and stainless steel slider. So this one is the Merry Christmas edition, but it's the Mini 01. So 25 millimeters wide, 37 millimeters long, and you get 13, almost 14 millimeters in thickness. So you get to check out the full size. So here's the comparison. So you have 1, 2, 3, all right, and you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 states. So you have an extra state on that one. The idea is the same. This is even more limited edition. There's 60 made of this guy, and there's like 100 made of these fellas. So much more limited edition. Really hard to get your hands on this one. Maybe there's something left on Fablades. You can also check that out and see if you want this guy, because this is probably, and clicks also, probably the nicest slider because it's so pocketable. The weight also is going to be much more contained compared to the full-size one, because let's see in grams. This guy is gonna be telling me that it's unstable. All right, so okay, let's do ounces. It's gonna be 2.51 up against 2.96. So you have a little bit more weight, of course, in the full size, but still very pleasant. I mean, it's the same thing, less state, so less room, less, how to say, there's less state, so it's shorter, so less options, but you can check some size comparison with other sliders like the Mahjong, the Game Cart, the Battle Shield from Chenyu, the 42 Cosmo right there, and the Milkia right over here. All Zirc goodness, just to give you an idea of the size of this little guy, which is pretty cool. You get this nice Merry Christmas Santa Claus on that side, 2022, and all the goodies you get for Christmas. So it is a pretty cool one, blasted Zirc, rather than your classic polished Zirc that you have right over here, nice and shiny. So, but that catches the fingerprints, and this it doesn't. So it is very, very nice. If you have smaller hands, you can actually play with this guy easily, and you can do, if you apply more pressure, you can have it slide just like very, very quietly, so it's not gonna bother anyone. Or you want to hear the sound, just click it away nicely, and you're gonna be a happy camper. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.